Ever opened an app you loved, an app that helped you inch closer to your financial goals, only to find out it's packing its bags? That's the question many Raiz users woke up to recently. The news that the micro-investing platform is shutting down its operations in certain regions has left many scratching their heads. Why, exactly, is Raiz calling it quits in these markets? Let's dive into the reasons behind this significant decision. To understand the shutdown, we need to look at the broader landscape of the financial technology, or fintech, industry. It's a dynamic and often cutthroat environment. Companies, especially those operating on an international scale, constantly evaluate their performance and strategic priorities. Sometimes, despite a promising start and a loyal user base, the numbers simply don't add up for continued operation in specific markets. One primary factor often at play in such decisions is profitability. Running a financial platform involves significant costs, technology infrastructure, regulatory compliance, marketing, and customer support, just to name a few. If the user acquisition and asset under management in a particular region haven't reached a level that makes the operation sustainable and profitable in the long run, the company might have to make the tough call to withdraw. It's a hard reality, but businesses need to ensure their overall financial health. Another crucial aspect is market dynamics and competition. The fintech space has become increasingly crowded, with numerous players vying for users' attention and investment dollars. In some regions, Raiz might have faced stiff competition from well-established local players or other international platforms with a stronger foothold. Acquiring and retaining customers in a highly competitive market can be expensive and challenging, potentially impacting the long-term viability of operations. Regulatory hurdles can also play a significant role. Financial services are heavily regulated, and the specific rules and requirements can vary significantly from one country to another. Navigating these complexities, obtaining the necessary licenses, and ensuring ongoing compliance can be resource-intensive. If the regulatory landscape in a particular region presents significant challenges or costs that outweigh the potential returns, it could contribute to the decision to cease operations. Furthermore, strategic realignments within the company can lead to market exits. Raiz might be focusing its resources and efforts on core markets where it sees the greatest potential for growth and profitability. This could involve consolidating operations to achieve economies of scale, investing in new product development for key regions, or shifting focus to markets with more favorable demographics or economic conditions. Such strategic decisions, while perhaps disappointing for users in the affected regions, are often made with the long-term health and growth of the overall business in mind. It's also worth considering that the specific reasons for Raiz's shutdown might vary depending on the particular region. What might be a primary driver in one country could be a secondary factor in another. The company's official announcements will likely provide the most accurate insights into the specific circumstances behind their decisions in each affected market. Ultimately, the shutdown of a financial service, especially one that users have come to rely on, is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. Profitability, market competition, regulatory challenges, and strategic realignments are all potential pieces of this puzzle. While the news might be disheartening for those affected, understanding the broader business context can shed light on the difficult decisions companies like Raiz sometimes have to make. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.